Doppler 12 Futurecast.
Well, you will hear a lot about this potential tropical storm over the next couple days, but it's really the front before the storm that could affect our weather more as we head into the 4th of July holiday. Let's start with that potential tropical storm, and right now it's a group of showers and thunderstorms just offshore from Miami. You can see that it does have a bit of a circulation. Notice the showers kind of spinning around just off to the east of Miami. It's not quite a tropical cyclone just yet. However, we're pretty confident it will turn into one, about an 80% chance of that happening. So confidence high that it turns into a tropical system, but then where it goes, it becomes a little more iffy. You can see this cluster of lines. These are basically computerized projections, and this whole clump is actually further offshore than it was earlier this evening. So that's actually good news if we're looking to avoid this, which I think most of us are. Timing-wise, by Thursday it gets close, if not on, the North Carolina coast, and then by Friday night just offshore from southern New England. If this forecast holds, this would have little impact to southern New England. In fact, Friday night and Saturday morning could be quite pleasant. Now, it could create some big surf, big waves as we go into Friday night, so we need to watch it. And also, this could actually change. It could bend further to the left. If that were to happen, obviously, it becomes a much more serious situation on land here in southern New England. So it's something we can't write off just yet. We'll continue to watch it. In the meantime, we're watching a humid evening in Providence. 71 your temperature, Smithfield 70 degrees, Newport at 68, New Bedford at 69. Temperatures will not move very much overnight because of that humidity. Live Pinpoint Doppler 12, not showing any showers for tonight, but we will start to see live Pinpoint Doppler 12 become more busy as we go into the middle of the week. High pressure protecting us from any showers trying to form today. A few clouds right now coming in from the north. We will get some fog development along the coast overnight. High pressure continues to spin in very humid air, kind of like a heat pump. You can see the clockwise circulation spinning, things like that, and that will continue to bring that humidity in, not only for today, but for Wednesday and Thursday as well. Now let's take a look at what that does to our temperatures. When we have a lot of humidity, the temperatures, well, they stay in the mid-60s, maybe hugging the low 70s overnight. You can see 5 o'clock in the morning. This is pretty much as low as we go for those overnight low temperatures, so maybe the AC being turned on once again after giving it a break the past few days. Then we go into 7 o'clock in the morning, a warm drive to work, low 70s for temperatures. Look at the afternoon. Could be a few degrees warmer inland than where we were today. 87 from Providence to Johnston, Smithfield. A little cooler at the shore because of those winds coming in from the southwest. So if you're looking to escape the heat and humidity, the coast, a good place to go. Now, if you're thinking of hitting the beach tomorrow, keep in mind some of this fog could linger into the early, even late morning, but then some hazy sunshine takes over with those temperatures around 77 by noontime, cooling off a little bit with those breezes to 75 by the afternoon. Humidity actually goes up the next several days, especially Wednesday and Thursday, dew points in the 70s. That is not comfortable. Very easy to sweat. In fact, right when you get out of the shower, that's the type of weather where you just immediately start sweating. All right, 7-day Futurecast shows chance of some showers and thunderstorms Wednesday night. More likely it's Thursday and Friday. Way too early to time these out exactly, but at this point they look off and on, not a washout. And the main threat would be some very heavy rain because we'll have some moisture, some tropical moisture feeding in from that system, which will give us the threat of some downpours. Now, one of our computer models recently actually pulls the storms out, or at least the threat of storms, by Friday night. So there could be some possible clearing for the fireworks. So way too early to cancel any plans like fireworks for the 4th of July. This is something we just need to watch. And then if we can avoid that tropical storm, which at this point it looks like we will, Saturday is pleasant, 79, low humidity, with partly sunny skies, and the rest of the weekend looking okay too. And as you pointed out earlier, Mike, we could actually use some rain because we're about an inch below normal. A lot of those lawns and gardens really need it.
Yeah, you can see some of them are just burning too.
Yes, they are.
All right. Thank you, Pete.
Yep.
There is much more to come on Eyewitness News at